If you're looking for a portable multiband antenna, well, this video is for you. Hello everyone, today's video is about the SteppIR CrankIR vertical portable multiband antenna. I received a kit, it's actually the full portable kit that I can use on a campground this summer while I'm out camping. And this antenna can handle up to 1500 watts. Usually it's from 2 to 40 meter, but I got the 80 meter kit as well. Also had the tripod to hold the antenna and the bracket to hold the antenna analyzer that I also got with the kit, which is the SteppIR Sark-110. It's a very small vector analyzer for antenna, and it can hold in the palm of your hand. I also have the bracket to hold it on a tripod, so I can adjust the antenna while seeing right away what's the result. So that is very useful and very efficient to be on the air as soon as possible when you switch band. So today's video, I'm only going to show you the unboxing in the kit, and later on I will show you on the part 2 video, I will show you the full assembly, the time it took me to assemble and to disassemble this antenna. But for now, there's 3 feet of snow outside, so I just thought that I would show you the kit that I got. I'm very excited about this and can't wait for this summer to try it out. For now, just go to the unboxing and show you the parts. 73, catch you some other time. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and click on that notification bell to be notified as soon as a new video is online. Thank you very much. 73.